Howdy there. Welcome to Chef Duke's Kitchen. Today we'll be making the avocado and coconut refresher smoothie. Let's get started. So the recipe calls for 3 cups unsweetened coconut almond milk. It's just me drinking this today, so I will be doing 1.5 cups and cutting the recipe in half. We will need 2 avocados. I'll be cutting that into doing 1 avocado due to the amount of servings I am aiming for. And then after we do the avocado, we will throw in the mango chunks. Here's my blender. All right, the avocado is in. Make sure we get all of that. In goes our sweetened milk and the almond chunks. Sorry, the mango chunks. It calls for 3 cups. I will also be cutting that in half. Okay, there is our mango chunks, and that is the last of the recipe. It is that simple. Just try a little bit at first. Not something I'd make every day, but let's make cooking great again and healthy eating. Goodbye for now.